Hey guys, it's the second owner of the channel, and I'm tried the slime recipes. Hold on, let me turn my phone around. I tried the slime recipes that London recommended, and this is how mine came out. I actually used flour instead of cornstarch, and this is how this one came out. It's not like very stretchy at all, and like kind of breaks apart, but it's good. And this is the lid to, oh my god, there's a hair in it, gross. This is the lid to the one that has to sit for 3 days, and London texted me and told me that you have to let the shampoo and salt one sit for 3 days. I didn't make a lot because I didn't want to waste the shampoo, and I wanted to make a clear one, so I used this clear shampoo, and it's scented. I used the Tresemme. It's scented. It smells kind of like grape, so this one smells really good. And as you can see, it's starting to bubble up a little bit. But I don't think mine will be done for 3 days. And London also told me to let it sit for 3 days. So this is how my two came out. But I really like this one because it's super stretchy. Even though it kind of looks gross, I'm gonna dye it soon. This one feels kind of like it looks like a putty, but it has like a slime consistency, as London said hers was. Like, I tried to put as much cornstarch as she did, but I used flour, as I said, because I couldn't find her cornstarch. And I let this one sit for about an hour because it was kind of like thick and sticky. It is still kind of thick, but it's not as sticky as it was. It's just super squishy. And this one, it's kind of like Poca. It's kind of like, it's a liquid. I've been letting this one sit for about an hour maybe. And it's doing kind of good because it's already bubbled up like a lot. And this is how much I made. You don't need to make a lot because it's still super cool either way. Because we made these mini slimes. London made more than me, but someday I will make more of this one. So I'll add more dish soap and put it in this container. But I'm going to get a plastic baggie for this one because I don't want to use another one of our Tupperware. So now I'm going to let this one sit for about 2 more hours, and then I'll do an update. And then I'm going to do an update on this one when I let it sit as well and see if it dries out. Bye.